Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over gratuities. So if your establishment has an auto gratuity set up, that one will be automatic based on how many guests that you have. Now the guest count is here in info, and here is the guest count, guest number, same as the guest count. Now, if you've got that set up, it's more than likely you also have the feature set up where it automatically asks you how many guests are there with that party. Now, if you're doing a manual gratuity, then what you have to do is go to checkout and then go to adjustments down at the bottom, and then there's gratuity here. Once you select that, it'll default to the whatever's set in the system. So in this case, it's 18%. You can add a description if you want, put Smith Party or whatever, and then you hit apply. And then that will add the gratuity on there, and that will show up as a service charge report, but it shows up as a tip. That's all there is to this video. Thanks for watching.
Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.